multiplexers. And demultiplexers. Right? So multiplexers are nothing but many to one data selectors. Many to one data selectors. So the same thing actually if it is extended, or actually if the data is removed, so many to one converter is called as a encoder. So like this actually, first we will discuss what is multiplexers and demultiplexers. Demultiplexers are nothing but exactly opposite of it. So this is one to many data transmitters. Are called demultiplexers. Right? So here actually multiplexers are many to one data selectors. That means here there are some set of inputs and then there are some set of control signals. So these are control signals. Data points. And the output is actually, there is only one data. So this is output Y. So this is, in short, it is called as MUX. MUX meaning multiplexer. Here actually many to one data selectors, which essentially means that there are many data points that are available, but at any instant actually the output has to be only one depending upon the control signal what you are going to select it, right? So now actually, so first you can note down this, we will draw the block diagram or we will draw the circuit diagram with the combination logic. This is the simple MUX. So the simple MUX actually, let us take actually three different inputs. So this is A, B, C, and these are called like these A, B, C are the control signals. Are the control signals. Now we have actually, let us take 8 different inputs. So that is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So these are actually 8 different inputs. So at any instant actually one input needs to be selected. For that actually we will take the output and let us take, so this is ABC. So the control signals actually I am going to generate, so 0, 0, 0, 0. Now correspondingly if you wanted to make the output as 1, then actually there is one OR gate over here, and for this OR gate the input needs to be given, so this is Y. Now for 0, 0, 0 we need to take one AND gate whose output is given to this OR gate, but the inputs are generated from the data point and these control points. So this is, let us say, this is one data point, and then correspondingly A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is A bar, B bar, C bar. The output is 1. Hence actually you select So this is A bar, this is B bar, and this is C bar. This is one way of the convention. If there is a circle or if there is a thick dot over there, then there is a connection. If there is no thick dot, then actually it is going to be a non-connection, right? So here actually if you notice, D naught is connected and A bar, B bar, C bar is connected. So the output of this is D naught, A bar, B bar, C bar, and it will be active only if A, B, C are actually 0. So this control signals actually you are selecting 0, 0, 0 so that you can take this D naught output to the output. If D naught is equal to 0, the output is 0. If D naught is 1, the output is 1. And in that case actually none of the outputs are impacted. So due to all these data points actually we don't have any other impact. Now actually take one more AND gate over there and then connect this output to the OR gate, and here this D1 output is taken and this is 0, 0, 1. The control signals are A bar, B bar, C. So A bar, B bar, C. So this is A bar and this is B bar and this is C. So this is. Similarly, if you want to select data point D2, so this is 0, 1, 0 and this is A bar, B, C bar. So data point D2, if you want to select it, draw one more AND gate and then this is D naught and then A bar, B, C. So this is A bar and this is B, this is C bar. And similarly, if you want to take the data output as D naught, so D3, then actually this is D3 and then 0, 1, 1, A bar, B, C, A bar and then B and then C. Got it? Similarly, so this is D naught, this is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So D4, 1, 0, 0, A, B bar, C bar, 1, 0, 1, A, B bar, C, 1, 1, 0, A, B, C bar, 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. So D4 is 1, 0, 0. So this is 1 and this is A, B bar, C bar. And D5. So D5 is 1, 0, 1. A, B bar and C. D6. So D6 is 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1 is 1, 0. D7. So this is how actually many to one data selector. So the output here it is for this control. So this is control and output is A bar, B bar, C bar, D naught, and A bar, B bar, C, D1, A bar, B, C bar, D2, A bar, B, C, D3, A, B bar, C bar, D4, A, B bar, C, D5, AB, C bar, D6, ABC, D7. Right? So these are the corresponding outputs in case of a multiplexer. Right? So